guys, today we're playing Minecraft, but it's my sleep hour. So, I am Hero Brian. I am Hero Brian. I'm gonna friend. I'm gonna just troll my friend.
How you gotta go here? I'm Apple. Oh, sorry guys. I'm vlogging too.
Okay, start with me. I need to go here.
No, we're not playing.
I don't know. So, let me just. That's how it works. If you see that diamond thing, that's the slap hand. I don't know how to make a slap hand, so I use that. So I do that. Okay, speed up. And the another speed up. No, speed up!
We're not playing right now, so I didn't play.
I almost.
Wait.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, my head.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. How did I just not one? Okay, yeah. There's lava here. So you cannot just eat. Yeah. Climb up this ladder and some simple jumps. My step. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna.
I'm gonna make slap tower.
I make my own slap tower, and I'm gonna. Okay, yeah. Just.
That is my little brother. She should get.
Okay, oh, the rain. I forgot the rain.
Just put my under.
I'm gonna just like this. Ah! Hey!
You're just jump.
Ah!
Oh,
Wait,
hey, you're a cheater.
wait, guys, because I'm actually repairing this into this.
You're a cheater.
Because I am in creative right now.
I'm a princess, so I can make a palace.
Okay. But it's so hard to make though.
I need to make nice in the farm.
What do you wait? 99 nights in the forest. When I'm done completing this, I will play 99 nights.
Stop copying me.
Because I want to play 99 nights. I haven't even just built 99 nights.
No, I can't.
Why is copy so illegal? You can even copy in even different ways, like when want to create the same one. Ah, you're so annoying.
You too are annoying. Stop doing it.
Wait la. Ito lang nga. Ito padala lang nila kay Joshua.
Stop doing it.
Padala sa lechon
Nice,
bell.
oh.
Bal, ano ginawa ako?
Ano ka man subuka? Padala sa ano? Lechon belly, siomay ka pata.
Oy,
Ano?
and
Pasayan.
just skip that part. And
Yung
just
akin ka.
simple jump.
Ang baboy mo yung gap. Kung nag-aaral.
Okay, the pink part.
Sa katukan.
And Here, simple jumps again. And some simple jumps. Okay, this is the last one. This is not slap tower 2, okay? Ah! You know what? When I fall again, I will just delete this
Mangugot.
video.
Oo. Tubo na yan.
Ah, okay, one last.
Gago lang.
I made it to the end. Now, bye guys. This is Slap Tower. So, this is actually the picture of my Slap Tower. It's like this. And bye guys.